Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the tip that you want to give to the delivery man on the Wolt delivery application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Select the items you want to order, then click on View Order, tap on Go to Checkout, scroll down to the Career Tip section, and here you can see that the delivery man will get the 100% of the tip after delivery. Here you can see the amounts, the preset tip amounts that you can choose from: 0 Hungarian forints in this case. Obviously it will appear in your selected currency, so tap on the relevant one, but you can also customize the amount of the tip by clicking on the other option and then type in the tip amount, click on Done, and then you can continue the process of ordering the products. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.